Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Yeah, so today just here to show you an exercise. Just trying to explore also, right? So it's a very simple exercise. So yes, let's just go straight to the point, right? So I'm using modes. I'm using modes for this instance. So we know our modes, right? Ionian, the Dorian, right? Ionian, Dorian, right? Right, so sorry, I took my guitar down one step down, so just in case don't get confused, right? So I'm using this key. So now the exercise now is we are using our one, our five, right? Then our third and our seventh. Right, let me go again. One, five, third, seventh. So we are using the numbers on all the modes, right? So let me just go over the modes again. This is right. Then right then. Right? Yeah, so let me go again. Mi fa sol la ti do re mi, fa sol la ti do re mi fa, sol la ti do re mi fa sol. You get it then. La ti do re mi fa sol la, ti do re mi fa sol la ti, then do re mi fa sol la ti do. That's your modes, right? So now, like I said earlier, what we are using is our one, right? Our five, our three, and our seven on all the modes. So you get it? 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. You get it? So imagine doing this on all the modes, right? Imagine doing this on all the modes. So 1, 5, 3, 7 on the Ionian, right? Let's go to the next mode, which is the Dorian. So 1, 5, right? 3, 7, right? You get it? So try to make sure your notes are clean and clear, right? So 1, 5, 3, 7. So let's go from the top. 1, 5, 3, 7. What will make you actually understand the numbers is the mode, right? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So let's use number system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 5, 3, right? Do, re, mi, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 5, 3, 7. Right? When you come to your Ionian, the Dorian mode, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 7, then 8. So which is 1, 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get so 1, 5, then 3, right? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 5, 3, 7. You get it? So that's just the idea. Just use your 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. So 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. Then 1, 5, 3, 7. Right? 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. 1, 5, 3, 7. So even me, I'm actually trying to explore it more and get more faster in it, right? So it's a very nice exercise. I feel you can use it to create grooves. You can actually use it to also create licks or riffs. You can actually use in songs, right? So sorry. So it's actually sound nice. So these are rules, right? Do, one. So you can just you can actually use it to create good licks. I'm also trying to exploit them more. Right, yeah. So just try it out. Just try it out. Get a metronome and try as much as possible to make sure you master it. Right? It's actually very nice. Yeah, so I'm also, like I said earlier, I'm also working on it, right? So I just want us to work on it together. So just try as much as possible to take time and work on it, practice it. Then try making sure that when you're playing simple songs, try to make sure you apply it, right? You can just try to make sure you just apply it. Try as simple as possible. Like I said, you can start very slow. Start very slow. Don't play it very fast. Start very slow till you get your desired speed. So try to apply it in simple songs. So let's say you're playing, oh, simple song. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. You can go, is it? When I play this, with the progression is far, right? So I actually use it to use the same, right? So, oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name, right? You see, you can actually, I'm just giving an instance, right? So you can actually use it to just create groove, licks, riffs, right? For yourself. This is just an instance for you to know that it can work. It can work if you actually sit down with it and practice, right? So yeah, I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you soon.